All right, friends, we got a 2025 Husqvarna TE300 Pro. This is the newest model. This thing is very, very pretty. Really good looking bike in person. Anyhow, gonna kind of go over some of the things on this bike that make it special. Also, want to hear your thoughts in the comments to see if you think this bike is worth the price tag that KTM and Husky and GasGas are asking for these special edition bikes. Anyhow, let's take a look at it. Good looking bike. Really like the color scheme they got on this. It's a lot of white, but it's really, really cool detail. For example, this is all gray in here. Really cool how embedded the graphics are on this. Got a little bit of a two-tone line right here, kind of like they did last year. Updated headlight, which is much, much better. You got the pull strap here. One of the biggest things that I love is absolutely the wheels that they put on this guy. It's got the WP hubs with the Excel wheels. Really, really good looking set of wheels. And then like last year, the spokes are actually gray, like a really, really, really cool gray. Right here, it's got the 30 clicks of rebound dampening. Really love this carbon fiber disc guard. This thing is robust and tough, man. I have put the beat down on mine, and it's worked so well. Who doesn't love the Brembos? Gotta have the Brembos. Again, can't express how much I like those wheels. Such a good looking bike. Pull straps are awesome. I love this color combo they got going on here. The darker gray, lighter gray. And then I love kind of mountain waves or whatever they got going on here. Glad they brought that back. Really, really good looking setup. These guys right here have held up really tough. I haven't had to buy aftermarkets. These guys have been really beefy and tough and held up, so I'm stoked on those. Gotta love that it's got super rear sprocket. I typically change it out to a 1350 for hard enduro, but for 1345 for trail riding, I think is actually really, really good. Only reason I switch it to a 50 is because of the hard enduro stuff. Again, keep saying it, but these wheels are just sick. These spokes are so cool. Really, really good looking bike overall. I think it's one of the best bikes I've ever seen. Gotta love the preload adjusters. This is new for 2025. Also love the bar pad, the Pro Taper bar pad with the flat and the dark shiny black. Looks really, really good. And also the softer compound rubber grips are nice to have. And God, can't miss the map switch. These guys are awesome. Love the gripper seat with the ribs. Definitely helps out, keeps you on the bike. She's good looking, man. What a bike. We got the AT81 on the rear. This is a tire that I get rid of pretty quickly. I run a couple different, one semi-gummy and one gummy tire compound depending on what I'm riding. Got the Brembo rotors, which who's not going to go with the Pro for the Brembos, but actually on the standard model this year they actually have the Brembos as well. Really, really nice rear brake disc guard here. Got the full not slotted but solid rear disc. I think that helps out in some scenarios. The new updated swing arm. really, really like this bike, man. It's a good looking, really, really good looking bike. So tell me your thoughts. They come with a skid plate now. For a long time, KTM Husky was not doing skid plates. And then on this model, they've got the linkage guard. And this thing is actually pretty thick and tough. Get your rebound dampening here. They put a heavier spring on there, which is a 45 spring. I like that they do that. That fits my weight really, really well. Before, for a long time, they were running 42s, and that was too light. I had to change them out. Awesome that they've got the factory fan on there. I actually prefer the factory fan over some of the Trail-Tech fans and whatnot with the gauge, because they don't stay on. This guy doesn't keep running and run your battery out. It actually only stays on for a couple seconds after you turn your ignition off. And that definitely saves your battery from going dead in kind of some hard enduro scenarios. This bike's built for hard enduro. It is good looking. Love it. I think it's worth the price. That's just my opinion. I mean, what's worth the price of anything? What somebody's asking, what somebody's willing to pay, right? But these bikes are good. I think they have some benefits over the just standard model. Resellability is something that I think is pretty awesome. But if you haven't ridden the new TBI motor, this bike is just smooth, torquey, pulls well. In my opinion, it is quite the improvement over the TPI bikes. So love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you don't know about what we've got going on, this bike is actually a raffle bike. This bike is going to be raffled off. Please see the information on our website, which is Ride-Tek.com. It's ride-tech.com. I'll put a link in the description. Tell us what you think about this bike. She's absolutely good looking, and not only part of the raffle, you could potentially win this bike for a $10 entry, and you get one of our stickers that we think is a pretty cool sticker. This bike right here is actually going to be going to a youth in the community. This is a Honda CRF 250F, fuel injected. There's a kid in the community that has no idea that they're going to be getting this bike as part of the raffle. So your generosity is going to help a young guy or girl get a new bike that maybe can't afford one, who's never had one, who's always wanted one. That's my story. I couldn't afford a bike as a kid, but man, we're excited about that. Please help us out if you're interested, and you'll enter with the chance to win this brand new Husky TE300 Pro. Give us your thoughts in the comments. Let us know what you think. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.